Hi everybody, my name is Joan Carmona. I am 35 years old and I am a student of psychology at the UNAD University here in Colombia. I am married. She's my wife. Her name is Natalia. And we have two children. On your right you can see Tomás, and on your left you can see Mateo. They are amazing. We love him. Okay, this picture was taken in Arrieros Park, which is a theme park here in Quindío, located in Quimbaya. Okay, I was born in Calarcá, Quindío, here, but I am living in Armenia, Quindío. The Quindío's department have 12 municipalities. This is Génova, Pijao, Buenavista, Córdoba, La Tebaida, Armenia, Calarcá, Montenegro, Quimbaya, Circasia, Finlandia, and Salento, Quindío. This department is located in the Andean region here in Colombia, in the middle of the country. This is a graphic representation of the weather here in my department. In the morning is very cool. At noon is very hot, but in the afternoon is heavy raining. If you live in Armenia, you know what I am talking about. Okay, here I have an example of the coffee landscape with the mountains, our typical cars, and our vegetation, yes, and our architecture with coffee farms. Okay, some of the tourist attractions here in Quindío is the Paus Parade, which is a similar to a carnival, but with Jeep wheelies. Okay, another one tourist attraction is Salento Quindío. It's beautiful. Okay, here is a picture of the Royal Street, which is a commercial street, and at the bottom we can see the viewpoint of Salento, where we can have a wonderful view of the landscape. Here I have a typical food, which is a roasted trout, but here in Colombia it's called trucha dorada, with a kind of banana, but here in Colombia it's called patacón. Another typical food, or in this case typical drink, it's forcha. It's a foamy drink based on panela, sugar, and flour. And here is a picture of Cocora Valley. It's amazing. The landscape in this site, in this place, is beautiful. Is the most beautiful places in Quindío, really. In fact, the coffee's landscape in Quindío was declared Cultural Patrimony of Humanity by UNESCO in 2011. So it's very beautiful. Okay, another beautiful municipality here in Quindío is Finlandia, where there is a viewpoint where you can see other municipalities of Quindío. Also, the north of Cauca Valley in this site, and also Risaralda for this place. Okay, here is Montenegro. Montenegro Quindío have a theme park called El Parque del Café, or the Coffee's Park. Okay, which is a theme park with mechanical attractions. Quimbaya Quindío, we can visit the theme park Panaca, which is a park designed to interact with farm animals. Okay, it is ideal for children and family. Okay, the slogan of the theme park Panaca is "Without countryside, there is no city." So it's very interesting. Well, now I am going to talk about France. France is the country that I want to visit the next year. It's one of the most beautiful places in Europe and in the world. So, this is Paris, your city's capital, and you can see the Eiffel Tower. It's very beautiful. Another beautiful places of France is Lyon. It's beautiful. Marsella, Nice, Burdeos, and Cannes, the city of cinema and glamour. Okay, some typical foods of France is very famous here in Colombia, as for example, croissant. Also, omelette, cordon bleu, and filet mignon. Well, this video is an exercise for my English course, and I hope that I can approve this note. My English maybe is not very good, but I would like to practice more often. So thanks for listening, and goodbye.